Welcome to Blessy Enterprises, your trusted partner for complete home, office, and commercial solutions. Are you looking for reliable, high-quality workmanship at an affordable price? Then you've come to the right place. At Blessy Enterprises we provide complete maintenance, repair, and renovation services under one roof. Our services include plumbing, electrical work, civil work, carpentry, painting, waterproofing, tile fixing, masonry, false ceiling, gypsum ceiling, aluminium sliding doors and windows, toughened glass, double glazed glass, glass partitions, office partitions, ACP cladding, MS fabrication, SS railing, welding, deep cleaning, house cleaning, office cleaning, glass cleaning, and complete home and office renovation services. Whether it's a small repair, regular maintenance, or a complete renovation project, our skilled team is committed to delivering quality workmanship, durable materials, and on-time completion with complete customer satisfaction. We proudly serve homes, offices, shops, restaurants,